Hi, I will show you in this video tutorial how to install Windows 11 on unsupported devices. Navigate to Windows 11 official download page from Microsoft. I'll leave the link in the description below. Scroll down. From Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO, select Windows 11 and click Download. Select the product language. I will select English and click Confirm. Click on 64-bit download. I've already downloaded it, so I'll cancel. Once you have the ISO file for Windows 11, right-click it and select Mount. Open up Sources folder and look for install.wim file. This compressed file contains Windows 11 files and folders. Also contains different editions. You have to pick the correct edition for your system. To find out our current running edition, from Start menu search for WinVer. Open it. I'm running Windows 11 Home Edition. Now, from Start menu search for Command Prompt. Run as administrator. To find the index of each edition and install.wim, let's use DISM utility. Get Wim info, Wim file that exists in this path, sources, install.wim. Hit enter. I'm looking for Windows 11 Home Edition, which has the index 1. Right-click this PC, select Manage. Under Storage, select Disk Management. I'm going to take space from C partition to create new partition for Windows 11. Right-click C partition, select Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of space to have for Windows 11 partition. For demonstration purpose, I'm going to make it 50 GB. Click Shrink. Right-click Unallocated Space, select New Simple Volume. Next, Next, Next. Give it a meaningful label. Click Next. Finish. Now we have F partition ready to hold Windows 11. Back to Command Prompt, using DISM utility to apply install.wim into F partition. Apply image file that exists in this path, sources, and install.wim. Apply dir or apply directory into F partition. And the index is 1 for Home Edition. Hit enter. The operation of applying Windows 11 image file into F partition is completed successfully. But Windows 11 won't boot because there is no boot record in BCD file. To check BCD store file, use BCD edit command. As you can see here, only single Windows bootloader found, which is in C partition for Windows 10. To add Windows 11 bootloader to the BCD store file, type bcd boot and the path for Windows 11, Windows directory. Hit Enter. Boot files successfully created. BCD edit to check BCD store file. Now we have two Windows bootloaders. First one pointing to partition F for Windows 11. Second one pointing to partition C for Windows 10. Both Windows 11 and 10 are installed separately. You don't have to upgrade or clean in installation your Windows 10. This way is much better and cleaner. Now restart to finish out-of-box experience, or OOBE. From now on, when you turn your computer on, you will have this screen to choose which operating system to load. I'll continue setting up Windows 11. The first restart will check for hardware. Second restart will show OOBE. I'll disable my internet connection to skip login into Microsoft account and to create local account. That's all. I hope it was easy to follow and helpful. Thanks for watching.